Alright, so today we are going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of shoes, but before we get into that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and also song of the day. Gonna have to give it to Robbery by Juice WRLD, and I love this song, man. I remember when it first came out, I was in school. I literally listened to this song the entire day. Like, I didn't listen to anything else that entire fucking day, man. I just love this song. Go listen to it, it's amazing. And yeah, let's take a look at these shoes. All right, so we are going to be taking a look at the Yeezy 700 V3 Clay Brown. These actually don't go for too much, man. I got them for retail on the Adidas app. Here you guys can see the tag. Clay Brown, size 10. And here's the thing about sizing, man. You have to go half a size up in these, and if you have wide feet, you have to go a full size up. Like, it's crazy, man. These are super narrow, as you can see. Like, they're just fucking insanely narrow. That's why I went with a size 10. I normally go 9.5 in Yeezys, but with this one I had to go up like that extra half size, bro. Like, it's crazy, man. Like, these are super narrow. I highly recommend, if you have wide feet, go a full size up, and if your feet are pretty narrow, you should be fine going half a size up. Here, let me spin these around for you guys. And these look very similar to the Alva 700s. I believe those came out last year. Those are just all black, and these actually just have brown spots on them, as you can see, that brown prime knit, really soft. And something else is that this part, the midsole, actually isn't black. It looks black in pictures and everything, but it's actually a very, very, very dark brown. So here you can kind of see like how it's a little bit different. It kind of looks like a granite, or like a cool, like, I don't know how to explain, like a really lightish black. I don't really know how to explain that, but it kind of looks like that on camera, but it's brown, trust me. In the back you can see the Adidas. Let me show you guys the size tag. So yeah, these actually don't go for too much. They go for around 230 to 250, which isn't too bad. Retail is 220. After shipping and everything, I paid like 240. So, you know, it's a lot, man. Like, I don't know about all that. I paid it though, so I guess it's whatever. And you can see the infinity laces. They've been doing that with almost every single Yeezy now. I actually prefer the infinity laces on these. I have the originals, and I just never untied the laces. I just have them as factory lace because, man, like, you can't really tie this shoe. Like, I think this is the perfect shoe to have infinity laces on, just because it matches it. Also gotta point out right here, this part's actually 3M, so that's a cool little thing that they added to the shoe just to make it pop a little bit more. And in case you guys did not know, the size tag is on top, and you have that Ortholite insole in there. That's why the retail on this is 220. There's no boost in it at all. At the bottom you can see there's no boost. Gum bottom, which I really like, man. I think this is one of the best 700 V3, so I'm happy I was able to pick it up for retail. I don't think they were too hard to get. I think if you really tried to get them, you were able to get them. But if you just slept through the whole release and just left it up to the Adidas raffle like I did, there's a chance that you probably took an L. But luckily I was able to get it, so that's fucking awesome. Here, let me put it back on the box, and here, let me spin it around for you guys one more time. Oh yeah, in case you guys did not know, this is like a rubber material. And all of this part right here glows in the dark as well. In case you guys don't know, I don't have like a UV light, so I can't like show you guys, but trust me, it glows in the dark. It's pretty cool. And yeah, let's take a look at these on feet. But before we do that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. And yeah, let's take a look at these on feet.